Hey guys, it's Ralf with Stray Benzes. Today, got an episode about the water tank, the washer tank for the windshield wipers and the replacing the seals of the pumps, because sometimes you turn the ignition key and this is what happens.
Why is this light on?
I'm sure you have experienced that at one point in time that your car is actually gaslighting you. And here with the windshield washer, it starts sometimes very slow. You top off the washer tank with water, and another couple of weeks go by and you know that you haven't used the windshield washer too much, and that dreaded light comes on anyway. The pumps have little seals that over time go bad, and that's typically where you lose the windshield washer water. Here's how you change this out. This tank is pretty much empty. Had it filled just about a week ago, and here are the two pumps, and that's the fill. And I'm almost certain it's not. Yep, all the way down. And you may not be able to see it, but way down in there, I can see where there are running marks, water marks, right around the bottom of the pumps. All right, so the tank just moves pretty much up, and here you can see the misery. This one here, the water is running out in here as well. So here you're going to try to get the pumps out of their seats, like so, and up. This one's I think a little easier. And there's the culprit. The rubber is completely gone, and that's what the problem is. Seal is completely gone. All right, so here are the new seals that I'm going to go install. You can see the seals. I'm going to clean that up here in a moment, install the new seals, and then I'm going to put that all back together. Here's also the heating element for the cooling water. It shoots cooling water from the engine through there when it's warm to heat up the water for the windshield wipers. Be back in a minute. All right, here I can finally put one pump in after the other. Just a tricky undertaking, but there we go. Let's see if I can get that done. All right, there's one, and here's the other. I'm going to push in from up top and into the sear, like so. All right, connect the level sensor, position my my heating system for the cooling water, the windshield washer water, and that is that. Another small thing fixed on your old car, but at least you won't be constantly topping off your windshield washer reservoir. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel by clicking on the Benz symbol right about now. Give me a couple of comments, good, bad, or indifferent. And also, I'm always grateful for a couple of suggestions about what to cover next. Again, I'm going to cover the seat section, power seats on the 126 next. That's for sure. Talk to you and have a good day. Bye.